So, okay, thank you very much. Welcome again. Today I'll be talking about Photon because many people have contacted me that as regard that they don't understand how to make use of Photon, so to gather information about their domains or other related informations to that related to the target. Basically, that is what I'll be talking about today. And what do you mean by Photon? Photon is just a script, is a Python script that helps you to crawl a given URL, which is your target, to obtain some information such as URL. Yeah, we also have email. You can also use it to generate an email address, social media accounts, files, secret keys, and subdomain. So, and this particular Photon can easily be downloaded from GitHub. So, GitHub will give you much more about and how to install it, and also how to make use of it and how to save your information. So quickly, let me quickly launch my Kali, so that at least you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so I've already opened it. So this is Photon. So Photon is just a Python script, like I told you. You can see incredible fast crawler design for open source, which is open source intelligence. It helps you to gather much information about your target. So you can see that these are the things. This is just a pictorial view of how the Photons looks like, and we have the key features. You can use it to extract data. You can use this Photon extract the following data while crawling. You can use this URL in scope and out of scope, URL with parameters. You can see it, and also enter email. You can use it to generate emails, phone, social media accounts, Amazon accounts. So you can also use it to generate files. It can in form of PDF, ping, and SMS, and so on and so forth. So you can also use it to generate key, which is secret key. Also you can also use it to generate subdomain and DNS related data. So these are the key features that you can see here. So you can also save it. You can save your most of your product, which is your report, can be saved in form of this. So by the time we are done, you'll be able to understand what we are talking about. So, and this is it. So the installation process, this is just the installation process. Just copy this one and clone it on your disk. But I'm going to give you this link so that at least when you are running, you won't run into issues. So what you just need to do, just launch your disk. Make sure you are on root. You have the access, you have the right to the root that you have the right to execute any command. So for me, I can just say sudo to be able to do what I wanted to do here. So now I'm at the root. What I just need to do, I need to change it to Photon. So I've already have it on my Kali Linux, and that is why you can see it like that. So now what do I want to do? I want to run a kind of I want to run a package. I want to get some information from the domain. So I can just say Python 3. So which is python.ph. So I will specify which is minus u, which is domain that I really want to work on. So you can specify this. So it depends on what exactly you are looking for in the domain, the target you will pick. So for example, let me just pick something like this. Certified hackers. So I took this as my target. So you begin to see how it begins to generate your report, your results, and it's going to be, as you can see, level 1, which is the progress 101. Level 2, you can see a level URL. The progress, you can see this is what is able to get. You can see the file now. You can see the file was able to generate the internal and external. Total requested was 13. time taking, he was able to mention, if you look at the time, request per second 0, so results saved at this. So you have to go to this particular directory to go and get your results there. So where you have to go, just come here. You have to come here. So you look at it, which is Photon. So you can see Photon. So you can see Photon. You can see this. You can open the folder. So when you open the folder, you can see the external and internal. So the external, so you can open this now. So these are the external. These are what's there as an external. So this is what you are able to get. So you can see all these ones. So are the information, so you'll be able to get from that one. So if you open the internal too, an internal, so you can get the login page of it. You can also get the index, so you can also get all this. And so this is what he was, this is the result he is able to bring out as at that time. So this is very, very important for you when you are gathering all these things. So it give you more, it will leverage you, it give you more power to be able to get more information about your target. So that is just the essence of Photon. So, and again, don't forget, this is just for educational purpose. So please don't run it on any organizations or any domain you were not given permission to. So once again, don't forget to follow us, and don't forget to subscribe for our YouTube channel. Thank you.